Here's how you can turn off the autoplay feature on Spotify. If you're using Spotify on your phone or computer, this guide will show you how to stop that autoplay from happening. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. To begin, open up the Spotify app. Once you're in, navigate to your settings by tapping on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. From there, scroll down and tap on the settings option. Now you'll see several options. Look for playback, which is the third option down, and tap on it. Once you're in the playback settings, scroll all the way down until you find the autoplay section. This setting controls whether Spotify automatically plays similar content once the song you selected finishes. When you disable autoplay, Spotify will stop playing random songs after the one you've chosen, and it won't continue the music without your specific selection. In case you've disabled autoplay but still notice that it's turning on, especially when connected to your car via CarPlay, the issue might be related to that connection. If you're experiencing this, one thing that can help is to fully close the Spotify app by swiping it away from your recent apps. Doing this will prevent Spotify from automatically playing music while using CarPlay. I hope this guide was helpful. If you found it useful, please hit the like button and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.